there, and welcome to DollMotion. Face up time repaint video number 2. Your second choice for a doll to be customized was a My Little Pony. An 80s My Little Pony reproduction to be precise. We're going to use this Gen 1 Madeline Pegasus pony. And it's October, so let's make it a little bit spooky. Let's begin! If you saw the pumpkin in my previous repaint video, then you found the hint. Good luck finding the hint in this video. With pure acetone, I take off the factory painted face. The hip or cutie mark markings took some more time. As some of you may know, My Little Ponies have a metal ring to hold their tail in place. So let's take off the head. I do this by dunking the doll in hot water. This will make the vinyl soft and easy to be removed. It's hard to see, but yeah, there's a metal ring. So why did I remove the head? Well, I'm going to dye our pony black with red dye more. And by removing the head, I prevent water staying in the doll. It can form rust later on. So after the dye, I gave the body a few days to fully dry, before I place it back on the head. I'm not sure why, it's probably because it's October, but I want our pony to have a skeleton mask. So we're going to make one out of epoxy sculpt. I actually took some inspiration from Pokémon Cubone. I give the mask some grooves for some texture. After a day, the epoxy sculpt is fully dry. I first paint the mask black with acrylic paint. And with the dry brush technique, I made the mask a bony white color, showing the grooves and texture. Masking off the tails and manes, I spray the whole pony with a layer of Mississippi Clear. Yeah, I know this series is called Face Up Time, but we're mainly going to paint on the hip area. It's almost Halloween, so I'm going to draw on pumpkins. 3 on either side, and they're all unique. Let's see. Yeah. The wings are also getting a new style. It's almost like a dragonfly. With orange acrylic paint, I paint in the pumpkins, wings, eyes, and ears, to make the color scheme of the doll complete. Beginning with a darker color, I paint in the eyes red. Waiting for that to dry, I paint in the markings on the pumpkins and the wings. with pen pastels, I darken the eyes a bit more. And with red pastels, I brush on the glow on the mask around the eyes. What makes it look like our pony has glowing eyes. A little white shine. And correction of the pumpkin eyes, and the repaint face is done. We seal everything in with a layer of Mississippi Clear. Now that I'm giving our pony a high gloss and some accessories, let's answer the question of the day. Will you customizing any plus-size dolls? Well, I already did. Cherry, Pikachu and Hank are considered plus-size dolls. But yes, I will be customizing a new, beautiful plus-sized female Divas doll this year. Do you have a question of the day? Leave your questions in the comment section and maybe I will answer them in the next repaint video. Back to the custom. With a few pumpkin accessories in its hair, our spooky My Little Pony is done. I think a great suitable name for a pony would be Pumpkin. It's almost Halloween after all. And oh yes, there will be another Halloween video coming out this month. And you don't want to miss it. But for now, if you would like to have more DollMotion content, visit Patreon or YouTube membership and you can get access to all of these videos. And for the ultimate fan, there's DollMotion merch available in my Teespring store. Speaking of Halloween, you can still order the Halloween special kitty shirt. They will be available for a limited time. I would like to thank my patrons of honor: Chelsea Panda Monkey, Art Weasel Customs, Winter Fox, Red Demon 990, J Natalie, Mina Guardian, Maddening Dreams, and everyone else. Thank you so much for making these videos possible on YouTube. And like always, like if you liked it and sub if you loved it. Don't forget to ring the bell for more spookiness. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!